Hello, good afternoon, seventh grade. Sorry for getting this out so late on Monday afternoon. I honestly just forgot to do the video after break. It was an easy day today, however. I pushed out a new unit in Khan Academy. It's called colons and semicolons and more. So it's going to focus on just some punctuation marks that we don't use all that often, but they're still really important. So obviously, it's going to include the colon and that is a dot dot. You might use that to set off a list. And the second one is a semicolon. That is the one that's a dot with looks like a comma underneath it that you could use in replace of a period. It's going to include a hyphen or a dash and the ellipsis, which is a three periods. So I just pushed out the lessons today, and then next Monday I will make the unit test available. And the unit test is only 9 questions. I don't think it's going to be super difficult, but I'd like you just to focus on the lessons this week to get familiar with those punctuation marks. And then after that, I just reminded everyone to make sure that they are super current on the Procon project. Right now, we have 3 things that have been checked in at this point. Number one was your topic. That's just like animal testing or death penalty and letting me know your stance on it if you're for it or against it. So that was the first check in. The second check in was your 6 facts. You should have 6 researched facts by this point. And the third check in right before break was your thesis statement, a 1 sentence statement, and letting me know basically your stance and your 3 reasons why or why not this is a good thing. I have lessons and videos for both the facts and the thesis statement posted in Google Classroom in the classwork. If you go in the research facts, it'll give you a chart where you're going to record your facts and also a video tutorial. And if you need help with the thesis statement, you'll click on thesis statement as the assignment. And there's a Google Doc. That's where you're going to record your thesis statement. And there's a 2-minute tutorial video for that one too, if you need help writing a thesis statement. Once you get those two, the rest of the project is pretty easy from here on out. However, you're not going to be able to advance the rest of the project until you get those 2 pieces done. So it's really critical at this point that you use the time and get yourself caught up. I usually have help sessions available in the afternoon from like 1 o'clock to about 2:30 if you need help. Most students that have stopped by have been able to get themselves back on track. So I encourage you to do that. Start with the videos, see if that is maybe all you need, and try to get yourself caught up on those. I have pushed out a slideshow to all students. You'll see that it's a black and kind of turquoise colored slideshow, and each of you will be able to make that slideshow your own. You do not need to keep it black and turquoise. You can make it hot pink or white, orange, whatever. You can start adding not videos, photos um, that match up with your topic. And for those of you that have checked in your thesis statement, got it approved, now you can go back and add that into slide number 2 and get that slide ready to go. So later this week, we're going to look at transition words and we'll get our first topic sentence rolling. So again, I just beg you to get the 6 facts finished up and your thesis statement so you'll be ready to roll with us. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email or stay after during the Google Meets tomorrow, and I'd be happy to answer any questions. Have a great night. See you guys tomorrow.